Spreadsheets are one of the best ways to review listing data in Paragon Professional, and there are many ways to customize this view to fit your needs. Behind the green Reports button, you'll see several spreadsheets. The primary is the default MLS-defined spreadsheet. This is the one you land on when you click Search, assuming you haven't made any changes in preferences. Think of this as your primary spreadsheet, the one that you'll use most often to review listings. On the spreadsheet, you can add and remove fields, rearrange and resize columns, and sort the columns. Spreadsheets are also customizable by class. I'm currently running a residential search, so the changes I apply to this spreadsheet will only show when I'm reviewing residential results. What are the key fields you'd like to include? Think about the data you value reviewing before deciding whether or not to send it to a customer or client. To add fields, tap Customize and choose Fields. The available fields are all the fields I can add. The selected fields are what's already included and what can be removed from the spreadsheet. I often run searches for closed listings, so I want to make sure to add the close date and close price. I can scroll through the list or filter at the top. Check the fields and click Add, or simply double-click to add the field. The price field on the spreadsheet will show the price based on the current status. If it's not closed, it will show the list price, and if it is closed, it'll show the close price. I want both, so I'll remove the price field and add list price. At the top, you'll see a drop-down for group. The fields currently shown in the available section are what's called listing fields, which is the majority of the fields. If you want to add agent or office information, you'll need to switch the group. You can also add feature categories, which are the fields in listing maintenance where you can select multiple options. I want to know the style of the house, so I'll add the architectural style feature category. There's also the option to add individual features, which are the selections in any feature category. I want to know if a property has central air or not. I'm not adding the cooling feature category because I don't want to see the other options within that field. By adding central AC, I'll be able to quickly see if it has that feature or not. Back in the selected column, you'll notice you can change the label to the short label, which is an abbreviation of the field name. This is helpful to resize columns without cutting off any information. Columns can be rearranged here by dragging and dropping. You can also select multiple columns and move them up or down together. Sort can also be done here. Tap Sort and you can sort up to 3 columns. The spreadsheet can also be renamed. However, the name will carry through to all classes. So if you name this My Residential Search Spreadsheet, you'll see that name when running a land search, for example. But remember, the data can be customized per class, even if the name can't be. Lastly, if you made changes and want the original again, tap Revert to Default. When you're ready, click Save and your changes will be applied. Columns can also be arranged here by dragging and dropping, and your changes are saved automatically. Resize the columns by dragging in or out at the header. Here's where you can see how using the short labels is beneficial. Another place where a custom spreadsheet is helpful is on the Market Monitor, which uses the multi-class spreadsheets. This spreadsheet is limited by default, so you can customize to see exactly the data you prefer to review when looking at recent changes to your market area. This is a great opportunity to choose one of the other spreadsheets from the Reports button, make your customizations, and give it a name like Market Monitor Spreadsheet. Then, when you're reviewing updates, you'll know exactly which spreadsheet to open each time. Spreadsheets are a powerful report view in Paragon Professional, giving you the options you need to quickly review data and send the right listings to your customers and clients. Thanks for watching.